Even to everyone that's locking, this is the Upnliveshow. All courtesy of myself, DJ Rick. Upnlive, Juggernaut Stuff, Fire Q, Little Brown Rasta, World Mark Entertainment. We call this the Upnliveshow. And we have another special, a very special guest indeed this time, I must say. Live in the UK. I should say the first time from my knowledge. I've never seen him here in the UK before. I probably has because he's a veteran. Also, we have with him this evening another special guest as well. So it's 2 for 1 special, right? People, welcome to the show this evening. We have live here in the UK, Rayvon alongside Sugar Bear is in the UK. Welcome to the show, sir. Welcome to the Upnliveshow. How you doing today? Everything all right?
Upnlive. Lock in. Yes.
Love the energy.
Early
Sunday morning, you know, my brother.
Yeah, early Sunday morning in the United Kingdom. We're actually up and live.
It's a Sunday day party. We're having a Sunday day party.
It's a Sunday rave party. It's kicking off at the Up and Live right now.
He's speaking the Queen English, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Well, I mean, I try.
Everything, I try a thing.
You know?
Welcome to the UK. Welcome to London. How you guys bring some nice weather because I like there's the sun is shining, which is lovely, and it doesn't often very hot here. So you actually come at a prestige time in UK when it's warm. Normally we're in a a jacket and this. So give thanks, brothers.
Watch out. No, should not even have a jacket.
No.
Not even sleeve. They're just there so easy, you know.
I don't know how long that's gonna last, but good luck with that.
Good luck, right?
Yeah, man, the weather's sweet.
Yeah.
You know?
So good evening to everybody that's on Facebook as well watching us. For everybody that's watching us and listening to us this evening, could you gentlemen just introduce yourself? Let's start with a gentleman from the left, Sugar Bear.
Yes. Well, my name is Sugar Bear. I reside and I'm a New York artist.
A New Yorker?
No, I'm a New Yorker, but I'm from Black River, St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, man, see me.
Yeah, man, definitely. You know, but New York, right now, me represent the Bronx.
Yeah.
You know, right now we're there, you know, like a reggae artist and the thing, move around in the circuit and everything, and you know, yeah, man, and I create some music and everything, and you know, more the people them check out the music. You see what I say? Nothing but love. You see what I say?
I like that, and you know, people, if you probably haven't seen it, but before we start the show, he's very particular in making that his angles are right and his marketing is looking good, and I like that.
Yeah,
that's definitely necessary for an artist. And the gentleman to the right in the blue should be known. Can you introduce yourself for me, please?
Cause in the summertime, where the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. Now when the weather is high, and you got women. Yeah, this is Rayvon, people. Yeah, I'm singing for the summer, yo. We're bringing the summer.
Nobody bring the summer.
Start with that one. Why not start with that one? It's fitting the occasion. Yeah, man. Rayvon, original, singing, DJ.
Yeah.
You know, original songs like Big Up, and Nice and Lovely, which was, I heard you say that this is the first time you see me in UK.
Yeah.
That was my first video ever, Nice and Lovely, and it was actually shot here, right in the UK.
In the UK?
Yeah, myself and Shaggy. Yeah, man, what was that, like 93 or something like that.
Yeah, because...
You know what I mean? Yeah, so from them time there, been coming to England long time.
So you're a resident, yeah?
Yeah, you can. Where's my residency card?
Yeah, I'm an immigrant, so what's popping?
Yeah.
But you gentlemen, are you now a duo or is it individual acts? So you just here for promotion? What's happening now?
Well, it's not a duo.
Yeah.
But what happened is that it's all the vibe thing, you know.
Yeah.
And we are making music together, and I'm learning a lot from Rayvon. You know, it's like you know, creating music together and a mentorship at the same time.
That's
you understand what I say? So I'm here in the learning in the
lab, right?
In the lab. you know what happened in America when they have the learner's permit.
Yeah.
Like over here, notice the car say L and
L.
So we in a car right now. We mark L on it, you know.
Well, that makes sense, and it's good to know. It's good to know that you're acknowledging that.
Of course.
Because sometimes the young artists get ahead of themselves where they think that because you probably had been known by a few thousand people now, you feel like you know everything. Obviously, Rayvon has been doing it for a while, so he has stuff that you probably need.
Only pastor open knowledge, man.
It's a lot of knowledge to be passed on, cause it's a lot to learn about this business.
It is.
I mean?
And Rayvon, you probably seen your fair shares. of ups and downs, because you've been around since you got your break about 92. I think it was your first solid hit.
Right.
You managed to get so much hits. Like, I'm not talking records that play in our circuit, in the Caribbean circuit. I mean records where you can play. Once me walk up on them song, I can play them in any venue.
Right.
And that is, I think, that is the key to me when you're doing music.
Yeah.
Is to appeal to the masses.
Right.
How did you manage to acquire such music? How do you come about those songs? I wouldn't say a particular one, because there's quite a few of them. What's the frame of mind?
It's an open mind, and music is a free spirit. You know what I mean? You cannot force none of these things, and a lot of times you can't even plan it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You just gotta plan to do good music. You know what I mean? And then now, when you get certain response from the fans and the audience, which you can't do without them, because it's an energy going back and forth. You know what I mean? You pass it to them, they pass it back to you, and it's go back and forth. You know what I mean? So the fans is a big inspiration to keep artists going as well. You know what I mean? And then you got to do songs that's relatable to people and their lifestyle and people's life. You know, I had a song called My Bad.
Yeah.
Should have treat you like the thank you instead of have you riding up in my car. If you ever stood the words of the flag, should have been a one night stand. My bad. Well, you know, that was a little what was the word? Touchy feely.
It is.
But you know, I thought the ladies might have a problem with it, but you know, the ladies said, the ladies was the biggest supporter of that song because they switched it around now to some of them. Yeah. Some of the guys where they would consider worthless.
But to be true to myself, I'm gonna be as straight up with you. I'm not gonna be all glitz and glam with this interview. I'm a bit disappointed with you.
What me do, brother?
Because a person who has so much good music, in terms of me seeing much of your music, I didn't get to see you as how I wanted to see. Maybe then the internet wasn't so prevalent, because I know your songs. Because this song, I'm gonna play it in a couple of seconds, is one of my favorite songs growing up, and I know your name, Rayvon, but I'm always thinking it was someone else who sing the song.
All right.
And it's only when time Lady Diana linked me and said, artist is here, and I'm like, is him really sing this song? And this song is one of my favorite songs, you know. I'm gonna play it now. People, we're just gonna take 30 seconds. We'll play that already. If you were listening earlier, I was playing it. That's why I particularly played that song, so I could remind myself. Let's play this for a second, right?
Don't worry, baby. You know I'm satellite connected.
I see how you be staring at the braids on my dome. I see how you be checking out the ice on my chrome. I know you honeys wanna take a real man home, so hit me on my two-way and put it on me now. I know what you be saying when you whisper to your girl. I see how you be licking on that chocolate swirl. I know you want me over there to rock your world. Hit me on my two-way and we can get it on. Hit me up and let me know what's the deal, if maybe we can tell. If you don't, I'll hit you on the cell. Holler at me later, honey, you can feel it, baby, I can tell. Later I'll be ringing on your bell.
So that is the song I'm talking about, yeah?
Yes.
That song, I grew up going to school with it, listening to the bus, and subconsciously, so everyone was just singing the song. It's not because Shaggy was on the song,
right?
Because Shaggy was only doing the couple, his verse, which, no disrespect, but he done his thing. But you had the melody from them, and I don't think we were able to see you as much as we would like to see you. What caused that?
Well, this is the music business that we're doing, you know what I mean? And a lot of times things don't go according to planned in the music business. That's why sometimes when you plan, you know what I mean, it's a lot of people that's running with the stick. It's a relay race.
Yeah.
You can deliver the stick, you know, to the next person.
Yeah.
And the next person go to the next person. But you say that third person will get it, then drop it.
Okay.
And then you just got to know how to just pick up and just keep going. You know what I'm saying? Because that song did very well. You know what I mean?
It did very well
in the States as well.
It did,
you know
very,
what I mean?
very well.
It
It was. I'm not even saying it because you're in the studio. Because I'm like tell artists the truth.
Yeah.
So if I like a song, I tell you, brother, that one then too strong.
Yeah.
I might not be put it harsh, but I'm going to tell you in a some form of way.
Right.
But that was just my little rant. Rant over.
right,
Yeah? Back to reality. Gummy bear, you've been busy as well.
Gummy bear. Hey.
I say go. Oh,
Gummy, it's all
cheesy.
good. It's all good.
Sugar beer.
Dessert last night.
It's all good.
Sugar beer. My apologies.
No,
Apologies. I
no
apologize
problem.
live.
No problem
It's
whatsoever.
unintentional. It's sugar beer.
As long as them are searching for Spotify, them put in sugar beer.
Sugar
That's all. Spotify and iTunes.
Yeah.
You know, Apple Music, make sure you put in sugar beer. Hey,
Define the name. How you get that name?
girls them, man. Girls them give me that name there, you know. So me big and strong and sweet. So, you know.
Let's check the live. If people on the live now, you're watching now, can you see the feed? Sugar Beer is here. Ladies, I want you to comment on his appearance and tell me what you like about the look. Yeah, he's looking at the cameras now.
The camera.
He's in the
right,
shot.
that's
He's in the shot.
Love you, ladies.
Talk to me about your music and your roots in music.
Well, what happened is that now, growing up in New York, you know, inspired by people like Rayvon and, you know, Bounty Killer. And, you know, New York City is like a rich bed for dancehall music. You know, so while growing up as a kid, you know, you had the King of D's playing the Bounty Killers and all of that. And, you know, and then Rayvon used to be a part of this crew. Not used to be, they're still the Rough Entry crew. You know that crew?
Yeah. There's a couple other artists into
Exactly.
Right,
So
yeah.
if you notice Rayvon, them, it's like that New York movement. It's always a movement.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And it's all of that inspire me and everything. So, you know, started, you know, bouncing around, performing in clubs, doing dub plates, you know, and then after that, you know, to take the thing to another level, started going to Jamaica, you know, to hone the craft, you know, and continue creating music and everything, you know. And, while doing all of that, you know, back and forth between Jamaica and New York, you know, link up with Rayvon, you know, through a producer. You know, and that's where I am today, you know.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So for those of you listening and never heard Sugar Beer before, we're gonna play one of his tracks right there. Can you just introduce the song for me? The song's called is it Cara Lee or is Red Bull?
Yeah, this one is called Red Bull, featuring Coralie, who is a singer from the Bronx. As I say, when them New York people are they move like in a wolf pack, you know? Yeah, like Rayvon them and Shaggy them, move in a wolf pack.
Them enough of
Red Fox them. So it's movements and everybody work together to help one another, you know. So Coralie is a singer from the Bronx.
Yeah.
We on the as a sound system, younger come to me and say, yo, Beer, this girl can sing, you know. Yo, gotta go studio. I'm say, all right, cool, and we go to the studio and boom, Red Bull.
Bullet thing.
Yeah.
All right, here we go live.
Work.
Yep.
Yeah, sugar beer. The real top girl is a deer. Abracadabra make your girl disappear. With a 2 foot in the air. Clear.
You gon' need a Red Bull tonight. You gon' need a Red Bull tonight. You gon' need a Red Bull tonight. You gon' need a Red Bull tonight.
Ready up the thing now, she saddle up. Make a whack, 2 cheap paddle up. Just know me no sleep when the summer up. And me no need stone for me hustle up. Girl say she weak, need some energy. Bring your body, come me have the ramen. Take her to a peak with some agony. She say round trip, me say hell yeah.
I got that thing that make you wanna go for rounds. I got that thing that make you wanna go for rounds. Go for rounds, go for rounds. Oh, you gon' need a Red Bull tonight. I got that thing that make you wanna go for rounds. I got that thing that make you wanna go for rounds. Go for rounds, go for rounds. Oh, you gon' need a Red Bull tonight. 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 Mr. Stallion, Mr. Stallion.
You know see me and the real deal stallion. Stand up at attention, deploy the battalion.
Okay, so that's why they call him Sugar Beer. The ladies don't like the sugarness. I see him just getting on the vibe a while ago.
Definitely.
Quick and fast.
Yeah, man.
I want to say a special good afternoon to people that's locked in on Facebook right now. Good afternoon to Panic. He or she is locked in all the way from Serbia. Also, good evening to Richard. He's locked in all the way in Dubai, loving the show as well. Also, good evening to Anissa. Is it Anissa? Greetings from Netherlands. Lots of people watching us around the world right now. So good evening to you. Keep it locked right here.
Good evening, everyone.
I remember if you just joining us, we're here live with Sugar Beer and Rayvon in the building. And we were talking about crews in who people who like to bring the music together. So for instance, you help each other out. I must shine some light on your movement as well, Rayvon, where you had like the Red Foxes and the rest of people in the crew.
Yeah.
You all managed to do like, now I wouldn't say similar music, but good caliber music. Was that like a landmark where you guys said, so listen, anything comes from this camp has to be reputable? Talk to me about that.
Yeah, I mean, that camp were, you know, still is like great lovers of music.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So when we all, you know, linked up, we were bringing each individual vibes and energy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And sometimes there was a little competition there too, so that made it even
helps.
more. Yeah, it helped the whole
Yeah.
thing. You know what I mean? So everybody just brought the certain, you know, the energy. I have a favorite kung fu movie we used to call Five Deadly Venoms. I kind of relate that movie there to we, because we kind of come, each artist had them own.
Their own like individual.
Their own individual thing, yeah. And when they join up, it's a movement. It's a tidal wave, and you can't get out of the way of a tidal wave.
You can.
Can I just
Sweep up everything.
Can I just interject a little bit?
Of course.
Big up Screechy Dan and big up Red Fox, and they have a new album out right now, which they did together.
Yeah.
So that's boom,
Yeah,
right
man.
out, right straight out of the rough entry. Big up Shaggy with him new album, and Rayvon and Shaggy have a boom song part that album there, yo. Hey!
So all the people who love the Shaggy and Rayvon combination, look out for, listen for that one there.
Yeah, man. So the
Holy
movement
power.
continues. You
I
know?
can see
continues.
that. But Rayvon, all of my life I thought you were Jamaican.
Yeah.
I never know that you're from
Barbados.
From
Yeah,
Barbados.
you're from Barbados. Mm.
Yeah, so big up Barbados.
So I told you that's that New York melting pot there again.
Yeah.
That's why we have, you know what I mean, the different energies coming in, and you know what I mean, because a lot of, you know, my musical background is quite it's broad. You know what I mean? Because in my household a lot of music was different music was being played. You know what I mean? My father played a lot of different music, like soul music, you know, reggae, R&B.
But that explains why your music is relatable across the board, because I was kind of in the same space where I was living in Jamaica a couple years ago. I never knew anything about like UK, didn't understand like different nationalities. Hey there Jamaica, just business about what bad, what hot, what bossy place next. And you care about your circles. You're not really caring about what's happening out there in the wider world. But when you live into this environment, let's say you live in New York, so it's a similar like London, you have to make music that relates to your environment, and your environment is diverse.
Right.
So even with Gummy Beer,
It's all good. That'll keep it going. It's all good.
I have to pay for that one there.
Yeah.
Okay. Even with yourself, your music does resonate that way. And I like how you the song that we just heard a while ago, the Infuse, the new girl, the chick. It sounds harmonious, and I like that.
Wicked.
So what next for you guys now? What's up in the stream work? What's working now? What's we looking for 2019?
Well, I mean,
It sounds like a whole heap of things.
A whole heap of things, man. A whole heap of things, because we kind of launch off a whole heap of projects still. A lot of projects is out there. A lot of rockets up in the sky right now, you know what I mean? So that one what you just heard, that's off a rhythm compilation, a Red Bull rhythm compilation. I have 2 tracks on there as well. One with Red Fox called Blaze Like a Fire, and the next one with General Degree called Statement, you know, and you know the rhythm produced by Sugar Bear. See, and then we have another single with Sugar Bear and myself called Sugar Cane, which was the first song we linked up and did together, right? And that song created such a vibes and an energy. That's what kind of brought us here right now, where we just kind of kept that vibe going. You know what I mean? So you can check that song out, Sugarcane. The video is out there, wicked as well. And we have another single now that just released on Valentine's Day called Now That We Found Love, which is a remake of the original one.
The original Third World one?
Third World one.
Yeah.
I actually done before that. When I did some research, was the OJs was the first one who did that.
OJs first.
And then
it was
Third World.
Third
And
World.
then Heavy D did it.
And
So then now it's
we do.
time for a new rendition now where Readers come and drop a 2019
The 2019
thing
version
on
of it.
Yeah, so I forgot check out that one, okay. But
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? So then now we have Another single by K Queens from the Alliance family. Big up.
Yeah,
Killer
I know.
and Crow. Yeah.
K-Queen, yeah.
So the song is called Jam Down Top Ranking. Put that out on my label, GTC Entertainment, which stands for Get That Cheddar. And that song produced by Beer as well. And is making waves. The video was just done in Jamaica 2 weeks ago. So look out for that one dropping. Last week. Yeah. So the work is going. Trouble Again, which was I think you played it before, one drop.
Yeah.
That was the first single of my label, which is a new situation with Tough Gang. So
can we play that song? Can I play 30 seconds of that song?
Yeah, man, run it. Trouble Again.
Let me drop 30 seconds of the song. People, the song that he's talking about, we're gonna play it here live, and you have a listen. If you like the song, thumbs up. If you don't like the song, you know what to do. That's how the show is. Thumbs down if you don't like it. Thumbs up if it's good. This is introduce the song for me.
Yes, people, Reggae Massive. This is Trouble Again, brand new, Rayvon. Up top.
Come again, yeah. Reggae music is again, yeah. So worries and problem live. So Rayvon reach again, yeah. Reggae come again, yeah. This is Mr. Rayvon at the microphone center. We mash it up and bust it up and me them center. Girls feel nice from the time that me enter. Fire it one side cause the music a anger. Ram it up, pull it up, feel I hear it. Sound a bus right, everybody lively.
Good afternoon to Bev. Get around. She's locked in from USA. How you doing? Get around.
Trouble again. Sarah bad up, comfy, grab them again. Cause I worries, yeah. Cause I problem again, worries again. Sarah bad up, comfy, beat them again. Cause I worries, yeah. Worries and problem. We no new to the game, yes, we they are long. Some boy need to know them and a foundation. Know this inside out like the palm of my hand. Make the massive feel nice under my selection. Listen and learn how me do it, yes, no yo. The people them a ball for the culture and the roads. Make sure you have the lock before you try follow suit. And when you see the general, you be salute. Because there's some trouble in this. When me hold the mic, you know say I'm on no miss. Just play me low and give me a mix. Make me deal with it brutal and brisk. Got some sweet rubber dub me a dash. Say what the rookie them a stand up and a watch. Got some serial tune man a chop. Come make the girl them want give me that. Whoa, trouble again, worries again. Say rubber dub.
Song's called Trouble Again.
Worries.
And it's all called this of the man himself is live here inside the studio with us this evening. Rayvon is here alongside Sugar Beer. I get the name right for the first time. I need to give myself a round of applause for that one. About time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Trouble again.
Rubber dub comfy, beat them again.
Yeah, man.
So the promo, the purpose of you guys in the UK now is all promotional.
Yes.
You just running the streets.
Running the streets because, like I said, we got a lot of rockets out there right now. We've been doing a lot,
Yeah.
in Canada, in the States, and the Caribbean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We actually launched the sugar cane in Halfway Tree. Actually.
Right, in Limelight,
That was the
Halfway
first
Tree.
blast off. And then, we just been running it from there. And it's about time to come to the UK and let people in the UK and the Reggae Massive know what's going on, because we can't left out
Yeah.
UK Massive. You understand?
Yeah, UK
So I have to make them know us. Yeah.
Major.
I have to come you have to come here. We can't do it from over there. I have to come here.
No long distance thing.
No,
No,
sir.
it don't work.
No make no sense at
Yeah,
all.
man.
Don't work.
Okay, so you know what, this part of the show we normally do, we normally just drop some beats and then we just have a little vibe, we just chill and
Yeah.
get back. Today is quite different because obviously if everyone, my regulars who's watching the show, if you notice that I am constantly looking down on my computer, which I don't really like to do because it's not really my thing, but I have to improvise because it's me alone, people. You can see that it's me alone in the studio this evening, right? So I'm gonna drop some beats. Earlier on, I said I was going to drop a particular beat, but I think I'm going to flip the switch. I just feel different. Yeah. I'm going to play something, and we're going to see what happens, right?
Yeah.
People, this is Sugar Beer alongside Rayvon live here inside the studio. And I'm really going to go random today.
Yeah.
Really random.
Random.
Really random.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see where I'm going to go. I'm going to start here. and then we'll see what happens after, all right?
Yeah.
Boom.
Let's go.
So we are now.
Yeah.
Yeah. You start off, Rayvon.
Cause I was under me Guinness and me I agreed. I will have vibes while listening this sound play. I burn the herbs and the whole of me eyes red. Sexy girl, come play up in our mind breeze. Now we on the highway heading up to my place. G-string come off before me even touch the bar. Girl I beg me, give her it the hard way. So me lift it up and fling it up down in the hallway anyway. Girl, if you call me and you get me, then don't feel no way. Because it's time for business and no time to play. I know you miss the loving, but it's not your day. It's the price you pay in the games we play.
Yo, original sugar beer.
Yeah. Bra, bra, bra,
In
bra.
the place of UK.
You see it.
You don't start. You don't start, yeah.
Bra.
No 1 + 2 that equal to 3. Sugar beer and 2 gyal and me said that a RG. 1 in a me bed, 1 in a settee. Them come a Stratford, say them want please me. Gyal a cheat pon the man with the high sugar bee. Black, white, Latina and Chinese. Me don't king size it, so busy. Every week I gotta buy new sheets that may sick car. The beer there, the beer at the man chow. The beer there, UK girls come cha. The beer there, the beer at the man cha. The beer there,
The beer there, no, what I'm doing?
cha.
Yeah.
Roll it up and then we light it up cha. But marijuana till me eyes them red up cha. Roll it up and then we light it up cha.
Yeah.
But marijuana till
Yeah.
me eyes them red up.
Yeah.
Oh yo, we just a bunny pan the
You see
main.
it.
Why yo, then dilly dally down the lane.
You see
Why
it.
yo, it just setting on me brain. Bubble get out of your rub with your crack and cocaine, cha. But for me split, me get my mind uplift. But Molly bone him split from reality.
No, sugar beer, they put a vibe,
that
no.
leg get shift out of the way. Each and every day I got to monetize say.
Hold on,
Put
let
that
me
in a land
switch it up, 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 switch it up,
Switch it.
switch it up, switch it up.
Switch
Let me
it.
go again, ready again.
Yes, Rayvon.
Yeah. Alright. See me now. Blah. Lordy. Lordy. Ah, see the mic there. Alright, people. Badam bam. You love to party, remember that one, yeah? So everything say lordy, lordy. We love to party, we don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody, we're just some man that's on the mic. And when we're at the mic, peace sign, we sing black. Don't want no guns, nah, no murder. Youth and youth, man, must stick together. Keep up in our life, give thanks to the Father. Bad man business in our work hard, yeah. Put down the gun, come with the fun. In a the session, niceness can't done. Cause shots in a dance make you start run. And we not come a party if you run up and down. Say fun times again, tell all your friend. Left your gun, no bring your juice and gin. Now Rayvon say, bring your darling. And come make we get some rasta. And we you sing say, oh, lordy, lordy. We love to party, we don't cause trouble. We don't come. Oh tang, I don't wanna go step down that with my honey bun. So give me some of that yum yum, baby, before I go to bed with my pretty girls. Being pretty, capital S when it coming to sexy. Me ball, exclusive body, good character, and you know how to please me. Me ball, being pretty, capital S, and it coming to sexy. Me ball, exclusive body, so come in.
Say hot girls come through, it's all about you.
Yeah.
Dance all night, you want your hot girls crew.
Yeah.
Mother for the guys, do what you love to do. Dance all night, baby, dance all night. Hot girls come through, it's all about you. Dance all night, you want your hot girls crew. Mother for the guys, do what you love to do. Dance all night, baby, dance all night. Me I figure your props, girl, you carry the heat. Man, I go and stick over your sexy physique. And when you move your hips, nobody can do it. And when you shake your body, make me heart skip a beat. Sure. yo. When I go down, I make the sugar beer sweet. Sexy no hell from your head to your feet. Pretty ass have not to mention sweet. With your body palm me and get the beer in my treat. A girl like you have been dying to me. No sugar beer hold you. You must get the feet pan you. Me look the love and make the sweetness. You will never ever leave her. Try to cheat. Hot girls come true. It's all about you. Dance all night. You want your hot girls crew. Mother for the guys do what you love to do. Dance all night, baby. Dance all night. Hot girls come true. It's all about you. Dance all night. You want your hot girls crew. Mother for the guys do what you love to do. Dance hard.
Well, we're having a bashment party. People get to feel the hype. Wearing Gucci and the money. Feeling rich like Wesley Snipes. I'm drinking crystal with my shawty. Burning my chalice with the night. Well, we're having a bashment party. Yeah, man, yo. A Sunday
international artist inside the place, the man called Rayvon.
Live in the building,
the man, yo.
Well, we're having a bashment party. People get to feel the hype. Wearing Gucci and the money. Feeling rich like Wesley Snipes. I'm drinking crystal with my shorty. Burning my chalice through the night. Say UK having a bashment party. So let's, I want to say, bashment, y'all. Only if you tell me if you're ready. And if you know you're ready, cock it up and spread it, girl. In the ear, make the DJ grab it, make him mix you down like Sly and Robbie. Cause feeling hearty, ready for the party. Watch Rayvon and him shorty. Hennessy and Bacardi. People are watch me to know. Hey, so we having a bashment party. Feel good with my shorty. Drink my when Bacardi. UK, whoa.
Pretty, clean and shave and in a bumpy. Pretty. Wax it, eyelid powder pretty. Pretty. Clean and shave and in a bumpy. Pretty. Wax it, eyelid, you know. Sometime puffy here, sometime more hard. Chevy make it clean. Watch this now. Sometime puffy here, sometime more hard. Chevy make it clean, off you make it dark. With the pretty, you have to show when you walk. Make the cripple start walk. Dummy start talk. They want to see all your landing strip. Play a land, girl, show off with it. Skin well spoon and look insect bit, girl. Bring it pretty to the eye, sugar bee. Pretty. Clean and shave and in a bumpy. Pretty. Wax it, eyelid powder pretty. Pretty. Clean and shave and in a bumpy. Pretty. Let me tell you something, Rayvon. Well, before, you know, girls, sure. What's up a picture and send it to me, boy. I saw there's something pretty. Me make a face and enough fat like it. I that there's something different in a movie. Make every man sit down and stare upon it. Kill them with pure fantasy. And then they carry go to embassy. Command man a Lantala Italy. Pretty. Clean and shave and in a bumpy. Pretty. Wax it, eyelid powder pretty. Pretty. Clean and shave and in a bumpy. Pretty. Wax it, eyelid, Rayvon.
See how you be checking out the braids on my dome. See how you be checking out the ice on my chrome. I know you ladies wanna take a real man home.
Hit me on my two-way.
See how you be taking out to your swirl. See how you be licking on that chocolate swirl. I know you want me over there to rock your world.
Hit me on my two-way.
Hit me up and let me know what's the deal, if maybe we can gel. If you're down to hit you on yourself, holler at me later, honey, you can feel it, baby, you can tell. Later I'll be ringing on your bell. Hit me up and let me know what's the deal, if maybe we can gel. If you're down to hit you on yourself, holler at me later, honey. If the DJ did that, I win what I say. Black. Baby mother was happening because of the honeys in my cars. If you need the feed, I'll be eating caviar. Chilling by the pool, really smoking a cigar. Multi-platinum up and counting me up to be a star. Do it like we do it, like a genie in the jar. Hit me on my page, baby, later we can par. Chilling by the crib, but we can hang by the bar. My crib is on the mountain, really from afar. Have a atty with the legs, them a jar. I think I'll come and make it hot like that. You wanna get involved?
No, we can do this the whole day.
Ready for judge.
I couldn't even jump in the bomb, or anything.
I jump on a studio one, two, and we mash it.
See
them we are.
Love the energy, you know what? You see,
Yeah,
One thing with music, when it hits, you feel no pain.
No pain
See?
whatsoever.
Because when the rhythm just start play, we just transform.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And go to a different place.
Yes.
And that's the energy of
man.
music.
Yeah, man.
Yes. I
Can't
mean,
deny it, you know.
of course. Give thanks for the love and the strength and the attention to detail for good music over the years. And as I said, Sugar Bear on the journey right now,
Yes.
and he's learning from a great mentor, someone who's been there, done that,
Yes.
and obviously gonna pass on that knowledge
Yes.
and the know-how and the willpower to get there, because it's been a long journey,
Yeah.
but the journey continues, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Definitely.
Yes.
Before we go, Sugar Bear, can we tell people how you can find you and find your music online?
Definite. Well, finding the music online, it's on all digital platforms. But
Yep.
people, if you could do me a favor, just go to Spotify, Sugar Bear. I'm on Spotify. You know, I'm on Apple Music. You know, and in the European sector here, Deezer is big, so I'm on Deezer too. So show me on your playlist. It's the summertime. Show some Sugar Bear and Rayvon pound of players. This is now that we found love. Rayvon big catalog. You say me, I say my song them. Yo, playlist and Sugar Bear music on Instagram.
Okay.
Right? Sugar Bear music
So
on
it's
Instagram.
SUGAR.
SUGARBEAR music. Just like how you spell music.
Lovely.
On Instagram. Yeah.
Thank you. Remember, make sure you support, like and share his music online as well. Remember, as we said
Appreciate
before, music doesn't cost much. In terms of, if you're a raver, a seasoned raver, a professional raver, if you go to the clubs to buy a bottle of NSC, roughly between 80 to 100 pounds, and a song costs only £1, 99 pence more likely. All right, so
Yes.
if you just wait up, if you want support, it shouldn't be that hard.
All right. When you talk about support, my brethren, you said music doesn't cost that much, right? You know when it costs nothing at all?
Yeah.
Some likes.
Likes.
See? It don't cost nothing. It don't cost you no pain, not a cent, a dime, a joke, nothing at all.
Yeah.
Just a little click, just a little click for your thing. So
Simple.
that's right. Come on, my Instagram.
Yeah.
That's the one Rayvon, one Rayvon. Do some likes for me thing.
No, but
Me
maybe
take that
that's
support,
why.
so, and then
Why
Yeah.
why did you put the one there before? Because I struggled to find you first until I put the one there.
well, you know, because there's so much people on there, some people might take your name and do some things with it before you.
Yeah.
Or mix it up, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I thought it was fitting when I put one Rayvon because it's just one Rayvon.
Yeah.
So it
makes
kind of
sense.
worked for me, you know what I mean? So I'm going to tell people just one Rayvon, just the number one though, not O-N-E.
Oh, yeah.
The number one.
So
'Cause
it's
with
number one, Rayvon.
R-A-Y-V-O-N, yeah, and that will fling up on your Instagram, your Twitter, your SoundCloud, the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
See, and now there's a website, www.1rayvon.com. You understand?
The man that brand it, you know.
Man, everything connected.
Right? And you know, you can get a lot of things on that website. You got merchandise on there. We got
Yeah.
some sexy hot things for the ladies that's from some of the videos, like the sugarcane video, the hot
Yeah.
shots, and some of the hot tops. We got the hats, we got glasses.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Merchandising. And you know, there's some acapellas for DJs. Just met the link for that. And yeah, so that's where you can find me, and you know, see what's going on, the concerts, the shows, the touring, from coming to us, you know, city near you.
So
yeah.
how can we watch you? How can we see you next? Where can we see you next?
Let me see. Leaving UK next week, actually, early
Texas.
next week. But we're gonna do something. We're passing through Nouveau tonight and probably tomorrow night as well. with
Okay.
Stone Love and not
That's Stone Love.
Bass
Bass
Addis,
Addis,
yeah,
yes.
Bass Addis, yeah,
Yeah, basically, this is here, UK
Yeah.
class. Big up
Yes,
to Real Flames Radio. Big up to the web production on that one as well. Big show, people. If you're looking for somewhere to go tonight, that's definitely the spot. All right.
Yeah,
and
man.
then the international, the people I'm looking at US, Texas, Houston,
Houston
we be
Reggae
there,
Fest.
we be there.
Yep.
Houston Reggae Fest
Yep,
coming
yep,
through.
yep.
Yeah,
Of course,
June
people.
8th. So let's go.
I want to give me an outro for the show. Give me a little something. And my favorite song. No, you already done my favorite song. So I'm just going to leave it to
I'll
you.
give you something, man.
Just give me an outro for the show this evening. Thank you very much to everybody that's watching online. Remember, do like, subscribe. Go on our pages, YouTube, Upnliveshow. Remember, the show is sponsored by World Mag Entertainment. You can go onto our website, www.worldmag.co.uk. Click onto the Upnlive banner. You can watch all our previous shows. Or you can follow us on our social media. That's Upnliveshow. Like, subscribe, and share. Like where Rayvon said, it don't cost nothing. Just press that button. I like that. All right, thank you very much. Rayvon, this out
yeah, man. We heal up on live, just rewind. Play it back one more time. Big bad show, I play round. Yeah, run, come here. Up on live, Rayvon in the building, alongside Sugar Bear. That's her then.
Yo, hey!